Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process of how you can make a TikTok account private. Now to make the account private, you need to open the TikTok account at first. Tap open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you have been logged in into your account, go to the profile section. For that, tap on the bottom right corner. There you are at your profile section. Now you need to go to the settings section. For that, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. There you tap on privacy. Inside privacy, on the very first, you will see the option of private account. For you to make the TikTok account private, you need to tap on the toddler. Once you tap on it, this will pop out on your screen. Here, switch to personal account to set as private. Once you set as private, your accounts will no longer show your website, emails, or any other account details. So tap on switch account. Again, tap on the toddler, and there you will see the toddler has moved to the right. That means your account has been transferred to the private account. This is how you can easily make TikTok account private. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.